In this tank, we carry out our tests. We pour into this tank oil and water. As we demonstrate, the oil pollutes the water. This oil will eventually be separated by our system. Here we have a floating extractor. The liquid is extracted and passes through a series of pipes. This transparent pipe, for example, allows us to see the polluted liquid flowing through. The liquid passes through these pipes to a peristaltic pump. The peristaltic pump then sends the liquid into this chamber, which is a separation accelerator. So the water and oil pass into this chamber. In the chamber there are different sections, and it is within these sections that separation takes place. The control speed within the sections allows us to make the small oil bubbles bigger and bigger. And so we form layers, one of water at the bottom and oil at the top. And it is thanks to the controlled pressure that we are able to separate the two liquids. The water then returns to the original tank. So to recap, the water that was poured into this tank is sent to the main chamber and separated. So when we have the formation of the two layers, you will now see how we extract the recovered oil. So here you can see that the oil that we have recovered. This oil then flows through recovery pipes.
Viene fatto defluire in un condotto di recupero, una tubazione di recupero, e ce lo ritroviamo in questo punto.
As you can see, the water is becoming clearer and clearer.
L'acqua di ritorno mi rimane sempre allo stesso modo pulita.
And as you can see, the water that returns from the chamber is very clean indeed. And here you can see the oil that we have recovered.
Praticamente l'olio che abbiamo rimesso nella vasca lo stiamo recuperando totalmente, considerando che all'interno di questo sistema.
It should be noticed that this process requires no filters and no parts that require maintenance or need to be replaced. It is clear how useful this machine could be, especially in a situation now in the Mexican Gulf. It should be noted that this machine could extract 100,000 liters of pollutant liquid every 24 hours. With this system, we could help the situation in the Mexican Gulf, especially along the polluted coasts. This system is highly efficient and would allow us to recover 100% of the pollutant.
Rendere ovviamente un sistema altamente efficiente con un recupero totale di quello che è l'inquinante in mare. A questo ovviamente in funzione delle diverse macchine sono state fatte.
Depending on the machine we use, we adopt certain skimmers. This skimmer, for example, would allow us to extract 250 tons of pollutant. So you can imagine how useful this system could be in the Gulf. If we had a series of machines larger than the ones here along the coast, we could clear up an awful lot of the pollutant.